Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and do just that. Also, like this video and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how I shop overseas using MyUS. And thanks to MyUS for sponsoring this video. Now, for those who are not familiar with MyUS, MyUS is a forwarding agent that I use when I'm shopping in places where they otherwise don't ship to Africa or South Africa to be specific, or that's where I am located. Now, with MyUS, when you sign up, you get an American address, or now you will be getting also a UK address, which is something that they've just added. So let's say, for example, you're shopping in a US store that doesn't ship to South Africa, you will send your packages to that American address. And full disclaimer, sometimes I also use MyUS to shop even in places that actually ship to South Africa. Now, I do that because I can shop during 1 month and accumulate my stuff on MyUS and then just submit a shipping request and get all those packages all at once, and I actually save on the shipping costs. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be shopping on Amazon, which is one of the most trusted places that I actually shop when it comes to shopping overseas. We're gonna be buying a couple of stuff. We're gonna be sending those things to my US address, and then from there we'll submit a shipping request, and we will obviously receive those stuff here directly to my address after I submit the shipping request and make the relevant payments. All right, so let's jump into the Amazon app, which is the Amazon America. It's the US Amazon. Now, I have already some stuff that I have added to my cart. As you guys can see, I have this 8-bit dual controller, which I'm probably going to be using to play either on my Apple TV or on my iPad or even on my iPhone, because now you can actually even play on your iPhone. And then I have this new Apple AirPods 3rd generation, which, if I am not mistaken, by the time of recording this video, is not yet available in South Africa. And also, even when it comes available in terms of pricing, it's going to be much cheaper for me to get it directly from Amazon than getting it locally. And then the third item that I have here is the Elgato Cam Link 4K. As you guys actually know, I sometimes go live and just hang out with you guys if we are not maybe looking at products online or sales. And I haven't done that in a while, hence I'm actually trying to get proper quality video when I'm doing the lives with you guys. So these are the 3 items you're gonna be buying for now, but just remember that I have done this before. This is not my first time, in case this is your first time watching this video. So let's proceed to check out. Now, MyUS was kind enough also to give me a $300 voucher, which we're going to be using for this video. And as you guys can see here on the breakdown, I have the breakdown of everything. You have the item cost, shipping, handling, and then you have the total before tax and estimated collected tax. There is no tax involved since I am using the MyUS address, which is actually a tax-free address, if you didn't know. Now, that's MyUS address over there. It's already selected, shipping address. But if this is your first time using this, you're gonna have to enter your MyUS address, and as I mentioned, this address will be given to you after you sign up. Also remember, because I am a MyUS ambassador, if you sign up with my link, which is down in the description, you will be getting some perks, which I'm going to tell you guys more about it at the end of this video. All right, so we've managed to purchase the items. Here is the information. There's the order date. We've ordered it on December 10th, 2021, and then you have the order number, the order total. Because I used the gift voucher, the order total was only $30 plus the $300 of the gift voucher. Now, the estimated delivery date is on the 15th. As you can see, it lists the item that I bought on December 15th. When these orders arrive in my MyUS address, we're gonna come back and we're going to submit the order for us to receive it here in South Africa. So it's been 5 days since we've made the initial order, and today, the 15th of November, today morning, I got an email saying that my package was already on my suit. So obviously I went straight to the app just to confirm that the stuff was actually there, and it was there. So let's go to the app. This is the app. I actually prefer doing things from the app because it's actually much straightforward, and I can actually do it from anywhere because it's on my phone. As you guys can see, this is my suit, and we already have the Amazon package right there. Obviously it arrived 14 December, which is a day before, because we are normally ahead as compared to the American. So when it's the 15th here, there could still be the 14th. So as you guys can see, that's the package. One thing that I might actually ask of you is to confirm the value. So we're gonna do that in this video. So if I click on the package, I can just go all the way down and confirm that the price of the package is actually correct. Now, as you guys can see, Apple AirPods there, the price is 1699. That's correct. And then we have the Corsair Cam Link 4K at 109. That's correct as well. And then we have the controller up there, which is priced at $62.99. If I'm not mistaken, it was actually $50. Let me double check, which is actually something that you guys can do. As long as you have your receipt, you can actually go and change and say the actual correct value, and then they will probably prompt you to provide with the receipt. Okay, so now that I've updated the value to the correct values, I can now click on the package and then update my totals. As soon as I update my total, I can see that my shipping is going to be $35.99. Then if I click continue, it's gonna take me to the next page where it shows me all the other information, including the address to which the shipping or the package is going to go. This is my South African address up there. And then I can also choose to pay my duties and tax right here from the app. So we're going to choose the option to pay right here from the actual app. And there is my duties and tax total. As you guys can see down there, it's $64.63. So because it's December and I actually want this package immediately, I'm going to choose FedEx priority there. I'm gonna remove the insurance because I really don't need it, but I'm gonna add handle urgently, ship today. Now let me update my totals to see how much will that give me up to. So now it's down. I only have $9 to pay, and because I have a voucher here on the MyUS app, also, as you guys can see, $115 of credit now they've minus, and now I only need to pay $9.62. Now if you've signed in using my link and also you want to use the 20% discount code PMHK20, this is where you're going to come and enter the discount code. So after I press ship now, MyUS will do the magic on their side, and all I have to do is sit tight and wait for the package to arrive to my address. All right, so today is the 21st of December and the package has finally arrived. Let's unbox and see the things that we bought from Amazon. All right, so this is gonna be a quick unboxing just so we know actually that everything that we bought is actually on the inside of this box. Okay, we are inside the box. All right, so I'm going to only open up one of the items, which is the Cam Link. Okay, so the Cam Link is out. Actually is in, this is what I'm gonna be using to stream on the channel. We're gonna be unboxing this guy, but let's remove the other guys from the package as well. We have the Apple AirPods Gen 3 over here. We're going to be probably doing a reel on this guy, which is going to be posted on Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, you make sure you do just that. And then the last one is the remote. As you guys recall, this is the 8-bit door remote, which I'm going to probably use only on my Apple TV or maybe on the computer, because unfortunately I sold the iPad Air Pro that I have. So let's unbox this guy here and I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes on the inside of. We're going to need the unboxing knife, so let's open there on the side. And this is the Elgato 4K streaming stick in all its glory. All right, so it's actually much lighter than I thought it would be. It comes in the box, you get the cam link. This is an extension. Other than that, in the box you get a sticker, an Elgato sticker, and then you have the literature. That's basically it. Now, to recap, in this video we used MyUS to buy in an American store, and the store of choice was Amazon. Now, we bought the product that we just unboxed from Amazon on the 10th of December. On the 15th of December, the products arrived at MyUS, which I went ahead and corrected the price because some of the prices were wrong, and also obviously you're gonna have to provide the invoice if you do so. And after that, I created a shipping request, all this through the MyUS app on my phone, and after 4 working days I had the package delivered to me. Now, the whole process took around 7 working days, which is actually pretty fast. Now, as I'm a MyUS ambassador, you can go and sign up with my link, which is going to be down in the description, and you will get 1 year premium membership or a 3 months business membership, all for free. And after you sign up, if you use my code PMHK20, you will get a 20% on your first shipping. All right, so let me know down in the comment if you've already signed up and used MyUS services with my link. Also, like this video and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.